Welcome back to Tech Drill. Today, we are going to explore a powerful tool that every developer should know about, the Markdown MCP server from Microsoft. As developers, we constantly deal with files that are not always a code-friendly formats. Requirement specifications often comes in PDF formats. API documentation might arrive as a Word document, and your design slides or architecture overviews are usually shared in PowerPoint decks. These formats are perfect for stakeholders and for presentations, but when it comes to using them as context for coding or for GitHub Copilot, they can be tricky. Currently, Copilot is not supported these formats out of the box. But the information captured in these files, like the requirement specifications and API documentations, are an important context for Copilot to generate code. That is where the Markdown MCP comes in. It can take these files in different formats and convert them seamlessly into a clean Markdown format. This makes them directly usable for Copilot prompts, documentations, and even version control as part of your repositories. Before we jump into Markdown conversion, let us understand why this conversion is very important. Imagine that you received a 20-page requirements PDF from your client. You want to use GitHub Copilot or any of the LLM tools to implement these requirements or convert them into unit test cases. As the LLMs or Copilot is not supporting PDF format, this will not work. In another scenario, you may be receiving your architecture diagrams and the corresponding design decisions in a PowerPoint deck format. This information is very valuable for Copilot or the developer, but it is not possible for Copilot to extract the information from your PowerPoint decks. By converting these files into Markdown, you bridge the gap between stakeholder-friendly formats and developer-friendly context. For quick installation of this MCP server, you can go to the curated list of MCP servers under VS Code website. We have already installed Markdown in our VS Code, which is available under your extensions section. MCP servers, there is a Markdown installed. You can go ahead and start this server. Let us start with a simple PDF. This is the first PDF, which explains how to restrict write access to GitHub resources when using Enterprise Cloud. Simple PDF. So let us see how we can convert this PDF into an empty format. Drag your PDF into your Copilot window. Select Agent Mode and ask Copilot to or prompt Copilot to convert the PDF doc into empty file using Markit. So let us see whether we selected the Markit tool sets. All the extensions are here. Let me select Markit tools. It have only one tool, that is convert to Markdown. So this is selected, and I am asking Copilot to do the conversion from PDF to empty file using Markit. Continue the tool execution. Copilot, with the help of Markdown MCP server, completed the translation of PDF document into an empty file, and it's got stored here. Now you can add this empty file as the context and ask Copilot, or even you can go for the chat mode and ask for what are the options for restricting access. So here the empty file is added as the context, and we are expecting response based on this empty file. So Copilot specified these are the two options. Let us see how it's mapping to our PDF document. The first option is selectively deny. That is what it specified. Second option is deny all. That's the second option captured as part of Copilot response. So it's working fine. Let us take it into a next level where we have a API requirement document. The PDF is this one, a simple API requirement document for defining a user management API. These are the endpoints expected. Let us apply this into Copilot to first convert, then implement the API using specific technology. Let us call it as a Node.js. So I'm again moving to agent mode, adding our API requirement PDF as the context. First step, convert the API PDF document into empty file using Markit. Second, based on the newly created empty file, implement the APIs using Node.js. So two-step approach, convert it into empty file, then based on this empty file, implement the APIs. If we are not using Markit, directly using PDF as the context, it may read some extent, but it may not have the complete context. You won't get a complete information from the PDF extracted properly. Copilot team is working on integrating the PDF support. Sooner we will have an out-of-the-box support for the PDF documents. Now the agent came up with the to-do list also. It's going to initialize the Node.js project installation dependencies, then implement the API endpoint, authentication as the next step. And at the end, it goes and implement the solver-based documentation for our APIs. These are the 6 steps identified by the agent mode. Copilot completed the steps in terms of converting the PDF into empty file, then based on that implemented an API as well. Let us accept all the changes, and you can observe that the empty file created by Copilot is matching with our PDF documentation. It's exactly a copy of our PDF document in a Markdown format. This is the API implementation based on our empty file. We are expecting some endpoints in terms of the user's endpoint, first one, and we have the user ID based, and there is a put with the user ID and a delete with user ID. Now Copilot is able to take an PDF as an input. With the help of Markitdown, it's converted to empty file, and using that it's complete the implementation of the API. If you look at all the activities performed by Copilot, this is exactly mapping with our requirement document. In the requirement document, we specified these are the endpoints required, that is implemented in server.js, and we specified all endpoints should be auth, that is the third activity is Copilot performed, and asked for a password hashing, that is the fourth activity, and we asked for limiting the rate, done, and the documentation. The to-do list of the Copilot agent is prepared based on our PDF document instructions. It's not only generated the code, it's aligned to the instructions captured as part of our PDF document. The beauty of this workflow is how easy it makes context sharing with Copilot. Instead of copy-pasting unstructured data, you can convert it once using Markitdown and keep the empty file as part of your repositories. Now Copilot can take the context out of this empty file and generate code, test, documentation and everything. To wrap up, Markdown MCP server is a simple but powerful way to unlock your PDFs, Word docs, or PowerPoint for developer use. It supports multiple formats, converts them into a clean Markdown, and integrates seamlessly with the Copilot workflows. If you are a developer who deals with external documentation, this tool can save you hours and make your Copilot experience far richer. I have linked the official GitHub repo in the description. Try it out and see how it changes your workflows. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.